So good morning everyone. So today we are going to start our exercise. It is exercise 1. So write the base and the exponent in each case. Also write the terms in expanded form. So which is base and which is exponent we have to write, and also we have to write in the form of expanded form also. So how to write that we will see. So first one. So what is that? First one is 3 power 4. So in this 3 power 4, what is the base value and what is the exponent value we have to write. So what is base here? Base is 3 and exponent is 4. Exponent is nothing but power 4. And what is the expanded form here? Expanded form. So this 3, how many times we have to multiply? 4 times we have to multiply. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is the expanded form for the first one. Okay. So next one. 7x whole power 2. Okay. So in this 7x whole power 2. So what is the base and what is the exponent value we have to write? So base is equals to 7x and exponent is 2. We have to write the expanded form also. So what is the expanded form of 7x whole power 2? This 7x we have to multiply how many times? 2 times we have to multiply. That is 7x into 7x. Okay. So next one. Third one. 5ab whole power 3. 5ab whole cube. So in this base is what? Base is 5ab. Exponent is 3. And what is the expanded form? Form is 5ab into 5ab into 5ab. This 5ab we have to multiply how many times? 3 times. So fourth one. 4y whole power 5. Okay. So now in this, what is the base? The base is 4y and exponent is 5. So what is the expanded form? Expanded form is this 4y we have to multiply 5 times. So expanded form 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y into 4y. So we have expanded this 4y how many times? 5 times. So this is our first bit. What is second bit we will see. So write the exponential form of each expression. So we have to write the exponential form for each expression. So exponential form is this power form. This is in the form of exponential form. This is expanded form. Okay. So now what is the first one? They have given in the form of expanded form. Now we have to convert that into exponential form. That is 7 they have multiplied 5 times. 7 they have multiplied how many times? 5 times. So we can write this as 7 power 5. So 7 they have multiplied how many times? 5 times. The power will be 5 there. So next one. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here 3 they have multiplied 3 times and 5 they have multiplied 4 times. So what is the exponential form? 3. How many times they have multiplied? 3 times. So 3 power 3 into 5 they have multiplied 4 times. So 5 power 4. This is the exponential form for the second one. Next third question. 2 they have multiplied 3 times. 3 they have multiplied 3 times, 4 times. And 5 multiplied 3 times. So what is the exponential form here? 2 power 3 because 2 multiplied 3 times. 3 power 4 because 3 multiplied 4 times. 5 power 3 because 5 multiplied 3 times. So this is the exponential form for the second one. second bit. Okay, so next bit. By using prime factorization, we have to find the exponential forms. Already you know what is prime factorization. Only by using prime numbers, we have to find the prime, we have to write the given value in the form of product of exponents. Exponential form we have to write. So what is the first one here? This 288 we have to write in the form of first prime factors. By using prime factors only we can convert that into exponential form. So 288 prime factors we have to take out. Okay, so here last digit is 8. 8 is a even number, so it will go in 2 table. So 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, that is 2 144s are 288. Now again 4 is a even number, so again it will go in 2 table. So 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 72s are 144. Now again this 2 is a even number, so again it will go in 2 table. So 2 3s are 6, 1 will be remaining, 2 6 are 12. So 2 36 are 72. Now 36. 6 is a even number, again it will go in 2 table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, that is 2 18s are 36. 18. 2 9s are 18, 9 will go in 3 tables, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So write in exponential form now. How to write this? 288 can be written in the form of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 how many times you have multiplied? 5 times. That is 2 power 5 into 3 how many times you have multiplied? Only 2 times. That is 3 power 2. So this is our answer. Okay. So next one. 1250. So 0 is a even number, so it will go in 2 table. Okay, so cancel it in 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That is 2 625 times is 1250. So 5 is a odd number, so 5 can be 5 will go in 5 tables. So what is the divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. So it will go in 5 table. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5 125s are is 625. Now again it will go in 5 table. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. That is 525 times is 125. Okay, now again 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So this is the exponential form. So write in expanded form. 1250 can be written in the form of 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 they have multiplied only one time, so 2 power 1 into 5 they have multiplied 4 times, that will be 5 power 4. Okay, this is our second question. Next third one is 2250. It will go in 5 table as well as it will go in 2 table also. So in 5 table I am cancelling. 5 4s are 20, 2 will be remaining, 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 0. 5 450s is 2250. Now again in 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 5 zeros are 0. 5 90s is 450. Okay, now again in 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 4 will be remaining, 5 8s are 40. That is 5 18s is 90. Okay, next is 18. 18 will go in two table. So 2 9s are 18. 9 will go in 3 tables. So 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So write in expanded form now. That is 2250. 2250 can be written in the form of 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 5 they have multiplied 3 times, so 5 power 3 into 2 they have multiplied only 1 time, so 2 power 1 into 3 they have multiplied 2 times, so it will be 3 power 2. So this is our exponential form. Okay, so next one 3600. 3600. So for this we have to find now. So 0 is a even number, it will go in 2 table as well as it will go in 5 table also. So first I am taking 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 0s are 2 zeros are. That is 2 1800s are is 3600. Okay, now again in 2 table, 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. That is 2 900s are is 1800. So it will go in 2 table again. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. That is 2 450s are is 900. Again it will go in 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 225 times is 450. Now last digit is a 5. So it will go in 5 table. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 5 45s are is 225. Again 5 tables. So 5 9s are 45. 9 will go in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So what is the expanded form here? Expanded form of 3600 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now 2 how many times they have multiplied? 4 times. It is 2 power 4 into 5 power 2, and 3 they have multiplied only 2 times. That is 3 power 2. So this is our exponential form. Last one in this. That is fifth one, 2500. So for this also we have to find the same thing. It will go in 5 table. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Again in 5 table, 5 hundreds are 500. So 5 20s are is 100. 5 4s are is 20. 2 2s are is 4. 2 1s are is 2. So we can write this 2500 as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. That is 5 power 4 into 2 power 2. So this is our last bit in this third question. Okay, next one. What is the next one? Identify the greatest number in each of the following pairs. So they have given 2 pairs. They have given 1 pair. So in that, which number is greater? Which exponential form is greater? We have to find. So fourth bit. First one, which is 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. So in these two, which is greater? We have to find. So given 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. So 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So now 3 we have to multiply 2 times. That is 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So here 9 is greater than 8. So 9 is nothing but 3 square is greater than 2 cube. This is the first one. So second one, 5 cube or 3 power 5. So which is greater we have to find. So given 5 cube or 3 power 5. So 5 cube means we have to multiply 5 3 times. And 3 power 5 means 3 we have to multiply how many times? 5 times. So which is greater we have to know. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s is 125. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s is 81. So 81 3s is 243. So which is greater here? 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power. 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power 3. So here 243 is greater than 125. So 3 power 5 is greater than 5 cube is our answer. Okay. So next one, third one. Two power 8 or 8 square. Given 2 power 8 or 8 square. So 2 we have to multiply 8 times and 8 we have to multiply how many times? Only 2 times. So 2 power 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. So I have multiplied 8 times and 8 I have to multiply only 2 times. 8 into 8. Okay. So which is greater we will see. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are is 128, 128 2s are 256. And 8 square means 8 into 8 will be 64. So which is greater? 256 is greater. 256 is greater than 64. That means 2 power 8 is greater than 8 square. So this is our third solution. Okay. So next is last bit in this exercise. Next fifth bit. So A value and B values they have given. So we have to substitute this A and B values in the given expressions. So here if A is equals to 3. So they have given A equals to 3 and B is equals to 5. So these two values, B is equals to 2. So these two values we have to substitute in the given expressions. So what is the first one in that? A power B plus B power A. A value is 3, B value is 2 plus B value is 2, A value is 3. Now 3 square is nothing but 3 we have to multiply 2 times. 2 cube means we have to multiply 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 9 plus 8 is how much? 17 is our answer. Second one. A power A plus B power B. A value is 3, power is also same. B value is 2 and power is also same. Okay, so 3 power 3 means 3 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 we have to multiply 2 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Plus 2 2s are 4. So 27 plus 4 is 31. So 31 is our answer. So next one. A plus B whole power B. A value is 3. B value is 2 whole power 2. So 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 5 whole power 2. 5 we have to multiply 2 times. 5 5 is how much? 25. Now last one in this. A minus B whole power A. Given A value is 3 minus B value is 2 whole power. A value is 3. So 3 minus 2 will be 1 power 3. So 1 how many times we have to multiply? 3 times you have to multiply. 1 into 1 into 1, that will be equals to 1. So this is our last question in that fifth bit. That is A minus B whole power A. So this is our last bit in this exercise 1. So with this exercise 1 is completed. So in next class we will start our exercise 2. That exercise 2 will be full of formulas only. We have to apply all the laws of exponents there. So be perfect in all the laws of exponents. Thank you.